Alright folks, what we got here is a Rav4. This is a 2012. Most of them are the same. We are going to change the license plate lamp bulb. The bulb is a 168. This is a Philips brand. 168 is the bulb that's supposed to be in there. I'm going to show you how this comes off. If you look carefully over here, okay, there's a little slot here. This little slot here, you just stick a screwdriver in there, you just bend that out of the way. See, there's a little clip here. I'm gonna bend that out of the way. If you can use a nail or another little screwdriver and just grab this right here, and that'll be your little handle to pull it down. All right, so like I said, once you take this and bend it out, this piece here will snap right out. Hang on, try to do it for you. Just one hand here. Let's see, get it this way. Done it. All right, there it is. All right, push that out of the way. This thing will come right down. And there you go. This is the lamp. Okay, now this lamp over here, it's a lefty loosey, righty tighty. All right, so you're gonna take this and you're gonna turn this to the left. And this little socket is gonna come right out. Okay, and of course the bulb, you pull it out and you put another one in. You can do it left-handed here. Dun, 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 dun. There you go. All right, pull that one out. Then we're gonna put a new one in. Just like that. There you go. Now you take the lamp with the other hand and just twist it on righty-tighty. Let me do that now. All right, there you go. Twist the socket on. This is gonna go in that hole like that. And then this is just gonna snap right in. There you go. All done. All right. Thanks for watching.